Just a quick video, a short from the Certified Jordan channel. I am busy doing fork seals on this 2003 Suzuki Marauder 800cc. So I'm about to pull the forks out, but I wanted to show you this, guys. Don't cheap out when you do fork seals. Buy the proper stuff, otherwise you are going to end up redoing this job. Trust me, this is a free tip from me to you, my gift. Call it an early Christmas gift from me to you. Don't cheap out on these stuff. Do it once and do it properly. The same with your fork oil. Yes, proper fork oil is expensive, but do it once and do it properly. If you use cheap crap, especially in the oil department and especially in these, you are going to regret it. This is also, yes, it is expensive, but it is most probably better than standard equipment. Don't cheap out on this, and don't cheap out on your fork oil. Right, let me get this job done. Ride safe, stay safe, and God bless.